Time now for everybody's favorite segment of the program, a visit by my wife, Jean Edelman. Jean, a student of the healing arts, Reiki, traditional Chinese medicine, homeopathy, acupuncture, and of course, macrobiotic and plant-based cooking. Here's Jean.
Great to be here. This week, I want to talk about the word nice. What is it to be nice? What is it to take a moment to show kindness to someone else? It could be buying a cup of coffee for the person behind you in the Starbucks line. When we give back, we put a smile on somebody's face that could last for days. It's very profound. It's very positive. It's a pebble in the pond of life. If we're managing our day and we're not rushed to get things done, hopefully we have a new pace and different timelines that allow us to linger and notice and be on the lookout for ways to be nice. So, short and sweet this week. Take your time. Look for opportunities to put a smile on somebody else's face. And my word of the week is nice. N is for notice. Notice ways and opportunities to be nice to someone else. To not be in a rush and be available for whatever may come. I is for illuminate. Our smiles illuminate the world when we are shown kindness. And then that smile is contagious to somebody else. And so we just need a whole lot more smiles every day to live a happy, healthy life. C is for capable. We're all able and capable to help others, even if it's the smallest gesture. It takes us out of our world and it gives us a moment of perspective. E is for empower. We empower others when we take a moment to look them in the eye, show them compassion, show them kindness, show them that we're all human beings looking to be the best version of ourselves. It's fun to give back. It's fun to make someone smile. Have a great week.